The well-mined feature, restorative spaces, requires providing dedicated spaces for mental restoration available to all regular occupants, directly aligning with digital detox zones. The well has specific performance requirements beyond simply designating a quiet room. Part 1 requires a minimum of 7.5 square feet per regular occupant, up to 500 occupants for a 200-person office. That's 1,500 square feet minimum, reflecting Well's position that mental health infrastructure deserves significant allocation. Part 2 specifies design criteria: reduce sound and visual distraction, comfortable furnishings allowing various postures and activities, access to nature through views, living plants, or nature imagery, and thoughtful lighting with user control. These requirements directly support the design strategies we've discussed so far for digital detox zones throughout this presentation.